Cardano value equivalent to 11.71 rands a coin. The present cost range, 10.896 11.891. The earlier day close, 10.9 The change was plus 7.783, plus 163%. Converse rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place, cost at 10,000 rands. Exorbitant cost 10,000, while low cost 792. The found the middle value of cost 911. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 852. Change for August 14.8%. Cardano estimate for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 852 rands. Exorbitant cost 1057, while low cost 852. The found the middle value of cost 937. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 988. Change for September 16%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost cost at 988 rands. Exorbitant cost 1226, while low cost 988. The found the middle value of cost 1087. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1146. Change for October 16%. Cardano estimate for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 1146 rands. Exorbitant cost 1394, while low cost 1146. The found the middle value of cost 1247. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 13.3. Change for November 13.7%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else cost at 13.3 rands. Excessive cost 1390, while low cost 12.8. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 13. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 12.99. Change for December's at 3%. Cardano conjecture for January 2025. Before all else cost at 12.99 rands. Excessive cost 12.99, while low cost 10.64. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.2. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 11.44. Change for January 11.9%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2025. In the first place, cost at 11.44 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.45, while low cost 10.83. The found the middle value of cost 11.59. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 11.64. Change for February 1.7%. Cardano gauge for walk 2025. In the first place, cost at 11.64 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.66, while low cost 11.00. The found the middle value of cost 11.78. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 11.83. Change for spring 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else cost at 11.83 rands. Excessive cost 12.91, while low cost 11.23. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.01. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 12.7. Change for April 2%. Cardano gauge for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 12.7 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.18, while low cost 11.46. The found the middle value of cost 12.26. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 12.32. Change for May 1%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2025. Initially cost at 12.32 rands. Excessive cost 14.54, while low cost 12.32. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.19. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 13.59. Change for June 10.3%. Cardano gauge for July 2025. In the first place, cost at 13.59 rands. Excessive cost 13.84, while low cost 12.02. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.10. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 12.93. Change for July 4.9%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2025. Initially cost at 12.93 rands. Excessive cost 16.5, while low cost 12.93. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.23. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 15. Change for August 16%. Cardano figure for September 2025. To start with, cost at 15,000 rands. Exorbitant cost 16.31, while low cost 14.17. The found the middle value of cost 15.18. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 15.24. Change for September 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2025. To start with, cost at 15.94 rands. Exorbitant cost 1656, while low cost 1440. They found the middle value of cost 1542. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1548. Change for October 16%. Cardano gauge for November 2025. To start with, cost at 1548 rands. Exorbitant cost 1561, while low cost 1357. They found the middle value of cost 1481. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1459. Change for November 57%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 1459 rands. Exorbitant cost 1616, while low cost 14.4. They found the middle value of cost 1497. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1510. Change for December 35%. Cardano figure for January 2026. Before all else, cost at 1510 rands. Excessive cost 1510, while low cost 1250. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.4. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 1344. Change for January 11%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 1344 rands. Exorbitant cost 1649, while low cost 1344. They found the middle value of cost 1470. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1541. Change for February 14.7%. Cardano gauge for WARC 2026. In the first place, cost at 1541 rands. Exorbitant cost 1676, while low cost 1456. They found the middle value of cost 1560. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1566. Change for spring 16%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2026. First and foremost, cost at 1566 rands. Exorbitant cost 17.2, while low cost 1480. They found the middle value of cost 1585. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1591. Change for April 16%. Cardano estimate for May 2026. Before all else, cost at 1591 rands. Excessive cost 1729, while low cost 15.3. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1610. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1616. Change for May 16%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2026. To start with, cost at 1616 rands. Exorbitant cost 922, while low cost 1616. They found the middle value of cost 1738. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1796. Change for June 1%. Cardano gauge for July 2026. To start with, cost at 1796 rands. Exorbitant cost 1796, while low cost 1560. They found the middle value of cost 1707. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1677. Change for July 6%.